Welcome! Today in front of me OPPO Find X3 Lite, and I'll show you how to install iPhone keyboard on this device. So first you should launch the Play Store application and in the search bar enter the green Apple keyboard. And now we have to get this application, so tap to install and wait a couple of seconds while application installing on your device. Now just open the app, here click enable settings, and near the green Apple keyboard tap once on the switcher, click to activate. Now just go back, here pick the switch input methods and switch your G-bar to the English United States keyboard, and that's finished. As can you see? And now we'll go somewhere where we can find the keyboard, for example here. And as can you see, our keyboard is so close to the iPhone keyboard as all the emojis. So as can you see, that's really simple to do. And if you like this video, leave like, comment and subscribe our channel.